Hello, today I'd just like to do a quick video to show you how to get your iPhone or iDevice on your desktop uh, to do various things, screencasts, just to view things on your iDevice. Firstly, what you'll need is a bit of software, AirServer, and it's free to download. I'll show you how to do that. Just Google AirServer, as you can see there. Click on the download link, and there's several options. There's 4 options. This one here, download for free. Do not download that one. Click on the main download button at the top right of the screen. That will then bring you to a page to download the AirServer software. The PC's playing up a little bit actually. It will get there eventually. But anyway, I'm not going to download it because I've already downloaded it. So when it's downloaded, what you need to do is it'll ask you for some basic information, your email, your name and your email address, and basically that's it. Once you put them in and activate your subscription, if you like, they will send you an activation code via email. Once you launch the application, it will ask you for this code to put in. Once you put the code in, it'll do its bit and install and do whatever. But then just before it launches, it will ask you, you've a couple of options. One is to say that you've actually bought the software and you have an activation code. I clicked that, pressed the button on it, and put the activation code in again, and here presto, it works. I didn't pay for it, but I've got the full version. So once it's installed, it's there in your programs. It's also in your actual programs, I believe, somewhere. It's there, it is, AirServer, and there it is to launch it. You do have an option of actually launching it every time your PC starts up. I wouldn't recommend that because it's, if you're not using it all the time to display your iDevice on your PC, then or Mac, I do believe it works for Mac, well then it's obviously running in the background and you don't really need it to be slowing your computer down any more than mine's already slow. So I'll basically show you how it works. So it's in my tray here at the bottom, as you can see, it's there. If I click it, there's different settings that you can go on: general audio, the display, mirroring, post-processing, advanced, but I've left everything as default. Don't need to. So it is now actually running in the background, as you can see. So what you need to do is you get your iDevice. When you've picked it up off the floor after breaking it, but you get your iDevice, and if I can show you, once you unlock it, unlock the screen, flip the screen up at the bottom. My phone's very dodgy, and I don't know whether you can see, but just there it says AirPlay. That won't show, that AirPlay will not show unless it's actually running in the background. If it's not running, then that will not show at all. One other thing to point out, this software will only work when your iDevice is in fact on the same network, your same Wi-Fi network as your PC. You can't work it from your office or wherever else. It'll only work while you're actually in the vicinity and you're on the same Wi-Fi network. So anyway, I've got that up, the AirPlay, as you can see. So all you do is touch AirPlay, and at the minute it says iPhone and it's ticked. If you can see below, it does say Liam PC, which is my PC, which means that I can connect to that PC. So I touch it, and there you go. Now, as you can see on the screen, it does say mirroring. When you first use this software, the mirroring button will be off. Make sure that's on, otherwise it just won't come up on your PC. From there, you can actually make it smaller, make it bigger, and move it about. Now, I don't know whether you can see this, but if I touch that, you'll see how quick it actually is. There you go. It is actually fairly quick. So if you're doing anything on the internet, etc., etc., it's more or less in real time. There you go. That's it. I would imagine it's used for all sorts of purposes, but I have used it. I am going to do other things with it, but at the moment I'm only using it because it is fairly new to me, to do this little tutorial, which I'm not very good at, but it's my first go at this sort of thing. But that's basically it. So it's AirServer. Don't download the free trial, just straight to the download link, download the software. They will email you an activation code. Install the software, use the activation code twice. Don't run it in the background every time your PC starts up, because if you're not using it, then it's just slowing your computer down. But there you go. That's it. I hope you found it interesting.